Hey, it's Brett here. I've got a quick little 30-second lesson for you guys. I get a lot of questions on if I sit in my chair all day long, like what are some things I could do to help keep myself from feeling like a sloth by the end of the day. So what I typically just show is just a quick like 30-second routine that people can do. You can do it standing, you can seated, whatever works best for you based upon the circumstances you're in. If you're working at home, obviously you have a little bit more freedom to be able to do some stuff. If you're in an office with a bunch of people, no one wants to stand up and look like a crazy person. So what I would say first, very simply, is the rule of thumb is like if you sit for longer than a 2-hour period of time, you create scar tissue in your spine. So you got to make sure that you're doing these things in less than 120-minute increments over the course of time. So I always typically say an hour, hour and a half, get up, move a little bit, or even in your chair, move at your desk. So to start, real simple, I'm going to turn myself to the side as far as I can, squeeze, back the other way, squeeze, and I'm even going to push myself through just a bit. I'm not wrenching on my chin, I'm just pushing through here. Real simple with that. The other one I'm going to do is straight to the side, so the weight of my hand, just let it fall. I'm not pulling, I'm just letting the weight of my hand pull. If I feel like I'm falling, grab the side of your chair and then pull away. Back the other way, pull away. Same thing from there. Next thing I'm going to do is just a real simple chin retraction on here. So I'm going to basically, I like to start with my hands, and I like using the outsides of my chair, the arms of my chair, elbows on the inside, hands I'm going to push out. I'm going to dig my feet in the floor, and same thing, I'm going to dig my feet and twist them out to activate my glutes a little bit. Arms out, feet out, and I'm going to retract my chin back. I'm going to hold that for 15 seconds. I'm going to do it again for 15 seconds. Do it again for 15 seconds if I want. But just a real simple isometric postural exercise where I'm working on opening this up, activating my glutes, and bringing my head back in so that I'm not stuck. Everything else is here. Forward, rounded forward through there. So, simple range of motion, side to side through there, tip, side to side through there, postural piece through here. If I really want to add something else to it, it's just simple back to the corner. Same thing, weight of my hand, back angle here, back angle there. If you have lower back issues, actually getting up out of your chair and working simple side to side. Notice how my arms go straight down the side, straight down. I'm not doing this. I'm going straight down the side, straight down the side. I can work, just extend back through here, down to the floor. Same thing, nice and simple, it's easy through there. Another easy thing through your hips is just a simple lunge type position here. All I'm going to do is drop my hips, and I'm going to rotate away like I'm throwing a bucket over my shoulder on the opposite of my back leg. So the front leg, I'm throwing a bucket over that shoulder through there. I'm going to hold real simple through there. I'm not way forward. I'm not overly extended back. I'm just rotating and extending just a little bit through there. Both sides, if you really want to get crazy, depends if you're in an office and people are watching you, but a simple full depth squat here. I'm down here, just like this. I'm on my heels, and I can just kind of work myself down through. If your knees tolerate it, that's a great way to open your pelvis up. So again, some easy stuff for up top, easy stuff for down low. Give it a try.